I went and bought me an outfit today that costed a lot of money today. You know what I mean? Because I figured that Wu-Tang was going to win. I don't know how y'all see it, but when it comes to the children, Wu-Tang is for the children. We teach the children. You know what I mean? Puffy is good, but Wu-Tang is the best. Okay? I want y'all to know that this is ODB and I love you all. Peace.
YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. Always remember, Wu-Tang is for the children. And Nike know that too. Because it's the holiday season and that means only one thing. Nike's Doernbecher Collection released last weekend and it was pretty good. Over the last 15 years, Nike has partnered with the Doernbecher Children's Hospital at Oregon Health and Science University. Over that 15-year span, they have raised $20 million. That's crazy. So what they're doing is they pick 6 kids to design their own sneaker. Think about that. These kids are dealing with life-threatening ailments. They're taking them away from the trials and tribulations of their regular daily lives and putting them in a space where they can be creative, have fun, and that's amazing to me. So big up to Nike on that. Last year's collection was a little but again, this year's collection was pretty good, man. Over the 15-year span, they have done auctions to generate a lot of money. I've seen sneakers auction off for like $40K one year. All the proceeds from the sneakers that they sell, the apparel, all of that goes directly into the Doernbecher Children's Hospital Foundation to try to find a cure, the medicine, the research to get these kids healthy. So it's really great what Nike is doing. What really shocked me though was the sneakers that they chose. Now, I don't know how that process works. I don't know if Nike's picking the sneakers or the kids pick the sneakers, but whoever's doing it, kudos to y'all. Earlier this year, there was a lot of talks about the Jordan DB6s coming back, and I'm glad that that didn't happen. A lot of people were complaining about it, but I ain't one of them. I think it's a better idea to bring newer silhouettes in that have not been a part of the collection before, or if you're gonna retro something that hasn't been beaten into the ground retroed. And that's what they did with the 15s. A lot of people don't like these shoes. I'm not one of those people. The 15s check off both boxes. They don't get a lot of retro treatment and they have not been in the DB collection in the past. And then you have something like the Dunks, which if I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong, the Dunks I believe have been in the collection. Nike hasn't released a lot of Dunks recently. I think that's going to change, but that's for a different video. So I'm glad that the Dunks were a part of it. Not only that, but Joey bodied these joints. Matter of fact, both. Donovan bodied these, Joey did a great job on these. So let's take a look at the different details that each shoe has and how each one of the kids made each shoe their own. I believe it was 2016 when they made this baby blue with the white font box, the standard for the Doernbecher Collection. It's back again this year. Doernbecher Freestyle with your Nike swoosh. Same thing down here. You have Doernbecher on one part of the lid and then Doernbecher on another. And then you have your details. So Nike SB Dunk Low DB. I'm not sure some of these color codes. I know University Gold. So the shoe is green, yellow, and University Gold. Size 8. The sneaker is true to size. But for me personally, I like when my ones and my Dunks fit a little bit more snug. That's how I avoid getting a creased toe box. And then your price point of $90. Can't complain when you're getting a dope shoe at that price point. Inside your box, you have 2 laces, so 3 total. Then you have your wrapper, Doernbecher Freestyle sticker, and then under the lid, it just gives you a little backstory into each one of the kids that designed the shoe. So Joey Bates is 12 years old. He has a Duchenne muscular dystrophy ailment, so prayers with him and his family. I'm not going to read this entire thing, but if you want to learn anything more about the kids that designed the sneakers, I'll leave this link in the description down below. As far as your kicks go, we'll start with the laces. You get 3 laces total. They come laced with yellow. I took them out. I don't think I'm ever going to wear the yellow just because it's so loud. I know for sure I ain't wearing this white because there's nothing white on the shoe. It's just going to stand out too much for me. So I went with the green. What I will say is this. What I love about all the laces, they all have the gold tips. With those gold tips, it has Joey Bates on each one of the lace tips, which I think is a nice touch. And then from there, it's all about Joey Bates and things that he loves or what he has a favorite for. So the colorway is green and metallic gold and yellow. That colorway or that choice for him is because his favorite player in the NFL is Clay Matthews, and he plays for the Packers. So you have leather on your toe box, which feels fairly good. It's not super soft or anything like that. And then you have the leather metallic gold. What I really like about the upper is this faux turtle shell material. It looks good to me. I do like it, and that's because one of his favorite figurines is a turtle. That same material goes around to the back where it spells out his name, Joey Bates in green. And then as you get to the medial side, it continues. So that really takes care of your entire upper. With your tongue, it's fully mesh with a yellow outline to it. And then you have the American flag at the top. On your heel, Joey loves chicken. It doesn't matter if it's fried, baked, cooked. Well, let me rephrase that. Fried, baked, grilled. And I don't blame him. I'm down with chicken too. And that doesn't change. So the shoe keeps the same design for the most part throughout the upper. The only difference is the left shoe has his first name, the right shoe has his last. And then as you get to the top by the heel, you get this nice quilted material, which I really do like. It's on the entire inside by the heel. And then when you get to the rest of the inside of the shoe, you have all yellow insoles. And down at the bottom, you have two cartoons, both chickens. One is in an airplane because Joey wants to be a fighter pilot with Clay Matthews' number on it. And then the other one's in an armored tank. Finishing up the inside of the sneaker is behind the tongue where you have your Nike SB logo and tag with Joey Bates' name down at the bottom. Same thing on the right shoe. But when you get back to the outside of the sneaker and you look at that midsole, that joint is crazy. Dark green, but that metallic gold stitching makes it pop. Like if you look at the midsole and how the outsole bleeds into it, it's crazy. So you see the yellow from that translucent bottom. Then you see the 52. I don't know what I like better. Icy bottoms on my kicks or Jones with thick thighs. Lord have mercy. For now, I'm going to take these bottoms. Alright, a 52 all throughout your clear translucent outsole. And what I really do like is how you can see it going into the midsole. And the same thing continues on the left shoe, where this outsole is green, goes into yellow, and then goes back into green. And then you have the yellow 52 down at the bottom for Clay Matthews. These are great. Joey, my guy, you did a great job. I mentioned before Dunks not releasing so crazy over the last 2 to 3 years, and I think that's going to change, man. We recently got the Canary Diamond Supply, the Black Diamond Supply, and then you had the Purple Lobsters released last week, and now you got these. I really believe Nike is about to flood us with some dope Dunks all next year, and I say that to say this. If you like Dunks and you've been planning on getting some Dunks resale, you better do it now, because once they start putting out dope Dunks like these, it's going to make that resale value skyrocket. Don't say I didn't warn you. With that being said, I got to get these a 4.8. So we're not going to go through the entire box, just go over the things that are different, starting with the details. Air Jordan 15 DB, black, white, metallic, gold will be the colorway. I went true to size. The shoe does fit true to size. For me personally, I think it has a little bit more space than I'd want typically, but still all good to go. And then you get banged for the 190 when messing with Jordan. But being that the details in the shoe are good, I have no complaints. Under the lid, you have Donovan Deneen's story. He's 11 years old, and he suffers from the meningococcal infection, and he's also had a kidney transplant. So, again, I'm not going to read the entire thing, but I mentioned them going through possible life-changing and life-threatening ailments. He had a 10% chance to live, bro. That's crazy. I'm wishing him and his family the best. The kid has also lost limbs. He lost his left hand as well as his 2 feet. From what I've heard, Nike is supposed to be providing him prosthetic legs, which I think is a great story, so that he would actually be able to, now get out of the wheelchair and even be able to wear the sneakers that he helped design, which he did a phenomenal job. So the entire shoe is black and gold. Not really much to go over there in regard to the color, but what really sets the shoe off will be the materials. They upgraded the materials from leather to now you have this suede, and as you see my finger moving across it, that's my test to find out how good the material is. And as you can see, once your finger allows the material to move, that's a pretty good sign. What I will say is this: depending on the way you upkeep and you treat the suede, it can look ashy. So what I would recommend doing is getting some mink oil. I get my mink oil from Rejuvenator. It's pretty good. That helps you upkeep and treat the material so that it lasts longer. From there, you'll notice that it has a dragon scale etching all throughout, which is pretty cool. That's just a nod to Donovan's favorite cartoon, which is Dragon Ball Z. I'm not the biggest anime guy, so I don't really know much about Dragon Ball Z, but I do know this is a dragon scale that you have in the upper. You have your gold Jordan logo or Jumpman logo down by your tongue, flat laces going with a mesh tongue, and then on the tips of your laces you have some more gold, and even hopefully it can show, but that's a Jumpman logo that's on that lace tip. All four of your lace tips will be that way. As you move throughout, black midsole, and then you have this huge, you can even see my reflection, that's nuts. You have this huge slab of metallic gold wrapping around the midsole, going into your outsole, and it's also on the heel. So hidden here, you have your Jumpman logo, and then Donovan's birthday, July 30th, 2007. I don't know what this 2-5 represents. If I had to guess, I'm thinking it's probably the date that he may have had his kidney transplant. I'm not sure. If you guys know, please let me know. Always down to learn something. And then you have the Jumpman logo down at the bottom of your heel. Jordan 15, man, it's a pretty simple shoe. I think it was ahead of its time. This tongue sticks out, and embroidered on that tongue is Chinese symbols that stand for protection. And then you get into the inside of your shoe. Inside your shoe, keeping with that Dragon Ball Z theme, it's a black insole with your graphics done in gold. You can actually see the claws there at the top, and then throughout, down at the bottom, you have your white Jumpman logo. I do believe that this gold can chip off. That's a little bit disappointing, but it is what it is. No complaints. That really covers the entire shoe because, again, the colorway is simple. It's black and gold. For me personally, I love it. He really executed, Donovan and Nike executed on this colorway with the upgraded materials, the gold here. I mentioned it before. The 15s, when they came out in the early 2000s, people hated them. Back then, we were wearing baggy jeans. Now, this shoe is perfect for where fashion is right now. So people wearing skinny jeans, I'm not really a fan of skinny jeans. Give me some, slim joints, I'm good with it. But joggers, you wear joggers, they're gonna sit on this perfectly. This is really good to see that they brought back the Jordan 15s and executed it this well. I'm excited to finally get these, and this was the main shoe I wanted out of the pack. I'm glad I even got the Dunks. With that being said, were you guys planning on getting any of the Doernbecher sneakers? Did you get any pairs? If not, do you have plans to do so now? If that is going to be the case, this would probably be the time to do it because the resale value is not too bad, and I do believe later on it's going to go up. I'm rating these a 4.5. This is probably the best, if not one of the top 3 best colorways I've seen on a Jordan 15. If you enjoyed the video, you like the Doernbecher collection, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't be that guy or girl missing out on my updates.
They try to tell you it ain't about that money, but everybody I know getting to that paper. You'd be crazy to not do the same. Right. Rolling off diesel, 18-wheeler. College grad turned dope rap dealer. Diamond from the mud, plans for a villa. But ramen noodle nights turn a preacher to a killer. Make a deal. Kill it still, it's that real. Anything so your baby never miss a meal. Not having dollars turn mom into a shotter. Henny gone chasing pain away with vodka. Friend of me say they would you leave you in the dirt. Knew the plan, now they switching, try and get it first. Turn the bitches under pressure, they should wear skirt. Gold digging biddies, want your money, they won't get to learn. Hood starving like it's Ramadan, so we never take a short till money longer than the conga line. Consequence of never having shit. Running through the land of the savages, chasing at the dollar, 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 almighty dollar, 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 almighty dollar, dollar, dollar. They ain't waiting for them commas, even run up on your mama, even make a deal, kill her still, so they baby get a meal. Anything for the dollar bill. They ain't waiting for them commas, even run up on your mama. Gotta grind skates for it. Mama told me pray for it. Ain't no time to wait for it. Might just catch a case for it. Math on the chase for it. Bad boy like I'm Mace for it. Ain't no player safe for it. Everybody in the field in that race for it. Get a strap, get a safe for it. Get a safe boy. Them niggas gotta eat. Run up in your place for it. Living wild, try and get it in the street. Scratch and catch a body, young and stash it in the creek. Clothes bloody, way too bloody for some bleach. Mama asking what's wrong, way too heinous for a speech. Heart gone, mind gone. Praying for some peace, can't sleep, won't sleep. Nightmares don't cease. They know he did it, enemies on the creek. You play it, then you play that shit for keeps. For that almighty dollar, 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 almighty dollar, 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 almighty dollar, dollar, dollar. They ain't waiting for them commas, even run up on your mama, even make a deal, kill her still, so they baby get a meal. Anything for the dollar bill. They ain't waiting for them commas, even run up on your mama. Make a deal, make a deal, make a deal. They do anything, anything for that almighty killer still, killer still, killer still. They do anything, anything for that almighty. Make a deal, make a deal, make a deal. They do anything, anything for that almighty killer still, killer still, killer still. They do anything, anything for that almighty dollar, 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 almighty dollar, 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 almighty dollar, dollar, dollar. They ain't waiting for them commas, even run up on your mama, even make a deal, kill her still, so they baby get a meal, get a meal. Anything for the dollar bill. They ain't waiting for them commas, even run up on your mama.
Bust that shit open. Yeah, hurry up. Come on, we out. Run, nigga.